তো আমরা এবার শুরু করব। We'll start for Mudumalai, and here our car is ready. My father, mom is inside with Kuku. You can see. So it will take almost 5.5 hours to reach out there. We'll take the video and we'll show you that how it will go. Okay, let's go. So এখন আমরা এখানে চা খেতে দাঁড়িয়েছিলাম, লিটল বিট কাইন্ড অফ ব্রেকফাস্ট, বাট উই জাস্ট গট কফি. We don't really feel like to have breakfast because we already ate at home, and the road is really good, as you can see. Pretty busy right now because this is Saturday. Kuku is here. Ma, hi karo, hi. Baba, ei dekho. Takao edike. So now we will go ahead to our destination and we'll update you guys. Really soothing nature all around, as you can see. Let's go then. So हम लोग यहाँ पे आए, यहाँ पे आके CNG भरा है, जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं CNG स्टेशन है. तो आप लोग भी मुदुमलाई आ रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे एक जगह है जहाँ पे चारों वाला क्रॉसिंग पड़ेगा हाईवे के साइड में ही. उसमें लेफ़्ट साइड टर्न लेना है आप लोगों को. तो आप लोगों को HP का भारत पेट्रोलियम के पेट्रोल पंप मिलेगा, वहाँ पे आप लोग CNG भी भरवा सकते हैं. सो ठीक है, चलिए फिर आगे चलते हैं. कुकु अबा शयतानी नয়. We are here to have lunch. That's the hotel nearby, just beside the main national highway, as you can see. I parked my car over there under the tree, so it will be able to get the shade. It will not get heated up. Now I'll go ahead and have a word with the hotel manager if they will allow Kuku. Let's see. না, এটা আমারটাতে তুলতে পারবে? ব্যাস, হাতিটা তুলো ভালো করে.
বাঁদিকে হাতিটা আছে.
তুলবে? আসছে ওখানে?
এই হাতি তো আবার মাউথের উপর মাউথ নিয়ে যাচ্ছে.
না, এটা মানে লোকাল হাতি কোনো. কত হরিণ. কবে হরিণ দেখছো না? হরিণের নামই করছিলাম যে. হ্যাঁ, এক গানা. এই ছোট ছোট একটা হরিণ আছে এদিকে. হ্যাঁ, ওরাও নেমেছে, ওরাও তুলবে, ওরাও দাঁড়িয়েছে. এটা জঙ্গলি হাতি নয়, এটা হচ্ছে পোষ্য হাতি. ওই যে গলাতে দেখছো? হ্যাঁ, ওই গলাতে অলরেডি ওই দড়ি বাঁধা আছে. হ্যাঁ, ওইটা মার্কিং আছে. এই হাতিটা চলো
গাড়ি
হ্যাঁ ওখানে
দাঁড়ালেই মুশকিল।
মিটার আছে ক্যামেরা, গলায় দেখেন কি ঘুরবে।
Finally, we have reached, and I'm gonna show you that how exactly it will is looking like. However, the journey was awesome, I would say, and the road is awesome, and it's all around forest only. So now I will go ahead and explore. Like, this property is totally inside the forest. That's all I can tell you guys. And I mean, the inside road is little bit patchy. However, still you will feel good once you will reach out here. So I'm gonna show you the surrounding, that how exactly that looks like. So this is the main gate basically of that particular entrance, and let me show you that how exactly that looks like. So guys, I am going to enter now. Okay, so that's the main gate I was talking about, as you can see over here, and that's the surrounding. Here you can sit and have some chit chat with your friends, family, with some awesome food. So whatever you can see over here, it's all about, I mean, it's all the forest. So there is Sri Ganapati over here. Jai Ganapati Namah. Here you can see that some artificial pond, you know, like small pond they have set it up over here. So this is the fence which they have given in order to cover their area basically. So that's the entrance. Here you can see that this kind of houses over here, and there are two dogs out there. They are Labrador, I believe, and they are pretty I mean, not aggressive, because I have my dog as well, Cuckoo. So I have always feared that, you know, if there is any aggressive dog, then there might be some consequences which I will have to face. Okay, so this is the entrance. I'm just entering inside the property now. Cuckoo. This is Cuckoo. Rita. So this is our house. This is our house where we are going to stay. This is a deluxe family room basically. Here you can see a lot of spaces over here. So they have planted trees out there, and this is Deer Meadows. Okay, so let's get into the room and we'll have a look. So there are other things need to show you. A lot of birds and the other things. Cuckoo is enjoying, as you can see. She is roaming around. See, like, these are the birds here, rabbits there. Cuckoo, come here. Good girl, Cuckoo. Come, go, come. Okay, let's get inside the property and see the conditions. So here also, nice thing they have created. A lot of space to have a sit and have chit chat. Okay, I think I need to, so this is not yet open. I think I need to do the booking. I mean, not the booking, the formalities, so that they will unlock the room. Okay.